good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make or cook dried pusit recipe, okay? So if you need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little water, 1/4 cup of water, and then pusit, dried pusit, okay? And then garlic, spring onions, chilies, white onions, and then tomato. Pritohon ang pusit, guys. Nagahit na yun. Hindi mo po ano yung parayo. This is the first batch. The next batch. Okay guys, so naluto na nato ang pusit. So ato na sa gisahon ang mga lam. Okay guys, so saute the garlic. Onions. Okay, we're gonna saute the onions, spring onions, and the chili. The tomatoes. Little one for the color. Just a little soy sauce. The oyster sauce, pepper, silk pence of salt. Okay, until the mapulp ang iyahang tomatoes, okay? Okay guys, so look at that one. It's super yummy na guys. And now the dried pusit. No, it's very crunchy guys. This is our dried pusit recipe. It's super yummy. Okay guys, so this is it. Our dried pusit recipe. Okay. It's super yummy. The tomatoes, the onions, spring onions, and the chilies. It's crunchy. It's yummy guys. Okay guys. That's our dried pusit recipe, okay? So thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja. To my Instagram, d_bro_ja. And to my TikTok, at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.